This is Bongbong Body Part 3. As I mind the day, believe it was easy to know my business, and I was talking about the day I love for window and swing to my legacy. I'm a show of Marcos family, and I can't believe in my chain that this is a part of my whole day. And solid my cold. It's easy to find this hour is almost at 1:30, and begging my time to love Marcos is big goal to have mind. So the story begins when Noli Di Castro asked me, "Ay Bambong, you wanna fight my son Manny Pacquiao?" No, I don't have to believe it because I have many fights that I can fix my love for nothing. Then swing again. He talked to me in 2 days rainbow in 1971 on March 4th, 10:30 p.m. Hey Bamboo, you wanna kick my mind? This is Noli Di Castro from West Columbia. I want to fight you with a non-third word of your morning is Abi. I thought you got basketball in Chris Panat. You remember I'm not Chris Panat, but my coach Bernard Advincula is Chucky. No, forget my mind that believe in me, I can fix my tulog. Then 4 days ago, he told me, Bambong, you wanna kick my ass? This is Noli Di Castro, fight me again. And find me nothing. So he used to beat me. Okay, I find you to run that nothing for me to live. But there's a warning, what? Your parents will die in Quiapo for a vomiting of grand fire of Marcos Pierce. Nothing me. So in a rainbow, it has happened that my parents was easy to find here, and they're dead in tools to love me. So taking my blood master's feelings in Senador is may bloodshed from aking kuya si Senator Bongbong. To be short, a banking nothing is Rizalande Marcos Bongbong. I call him Jamboy. So kung siselo Senator Bongbong Marcos, ano ka pa rin ni Mrs. Marcos? Ang pinaglalaban ko lang yung laban namin yung Manny Pacquiao. And that banking, I remember the driver is Julius Babo at that time in Hawaii. And I talked to Mr. Mario Aquino, who is the referee at that time, hindi po Crisoligo, taga-punas ni Manny Pacquiao. No? So I went in Hawaii and took my fight in my heart place and I kicked my whole day. Always the mind, I told them. So in fighting mind, so many people lose my fool. And I was easy to know my bouncy, I had 2 gloves in metal. And when I have kicked this mind to the Lord Jesus of the Christ, and Marcos Bongbong will have this mind, but to know this is a reality. Mahabol lang po ako sa pera. Ngunit sa pera ng aking tugon, ako'y mabait at nakatawa lang sa problema. Ang aking ina po si Melda ay mabait, Tatay Cristiano Marcos ay mapangkutya. Mga kapatid kong ihon, hindi ko na matandaan. At ang una kong tingin sa aking asawa na si Angel Loteski, yun ang pamangkin o unang ina ng aking panahon, si Legacy Mario Rivera, my first daughter, and the second is Dieter Ocampo, and the third is Angel Lacey at that time. So we're married in Colombia that week, and I was in a city to know this man, because I was talking about my deal. So let's fire up the mind. Gusto ko lang mangyari, ikaw, Noli Di Castro, ikaw may punot dulo. Kung papasiguro sa ginagawa mo ngayon, tapak matindi. Then, sabi ni Manny Pacquiao, may lalaban pa kami ng boxing. If you wanna kick my left ringo, you can fix my right pony. When you kick my high tiger, you can feel this, because Marcos is number 1. Remember, I don't play bug with tools. I can fix nothing. Remember, Marcos is not for all this that I have now. So, kung Julius Babaw, lakas pa ng loob mo gamitin yung Chrysler. Sabi ko, huwag mo gamitin yung 7 kick ko. Pero ginamit pa rin. So I was poisoned that foods, hindi ako nakauwi. We took my character out into the window. Reason to leave this in Pilipinas, They know me, I'm a clover here. So the match mind eyes. So Noli Di Castro, Julius Babo, Bimbo Crisoligo, Noemi Aquino, Manny Pacquiao. Hindi kayo wanted sa akin. Pero tayo hindi mo maglalaban pa tayo sa TV. Manny Pacquiao, I told you. Ever I say, maglalaban tayo. Alam ni God yan. Dinaya niyo ako sa first round, second round, third round, fifth round. Nanalo ako ng cups. Then after a round busy, pagdating ng 8 rounds, meron ka ng knuckle bar. So nakatulog ako, sobrang lakas ng suntok mo. Ngayon maglalaban tayo, walang pakialam sa inyo, Jingy, kung may mga Pacquiao fans yan, let's try my move. Okay, even coach ni Pacquiao, putang na, alalay ko lang yan sa Taigon. Tagahagis ko lang ng baboy niya sa likido ng aking panel, no? Kahit tanong mo kung sinong coach niya, kupal na yan. This is my bag, tinuturuan ko pa sila. Ito first territory ko pag boxing. I go this right wool. I got fix my eyes tipped. When I go feelings, the knockdown. 1-0. Second, I go think to love this mind. Before you have me, kick this in. The mind is whole. Then the third, if I put my right foolish, it kind of fish up. Kumain ka muna, baka di ka pa nagugutom. Magpahinga at mag-vitamin. And the last full, kick my easy mind. This right hood is a shadow. You mean? I can knuckle this metal hood. To decide, this is the vanity, the right eyes of the Jesus. So, big mind. Hindi ko kayo niyayabangan. Pero kung makikita nyo ang talim ko sa inyo, manigan to ng pagsanto ko. When you put my arms, ready. When you put my kick, eyes. When you put my round into the half leg, illegal. When you put my knock and put my head down, shed. And when you quit me, straight up the whole day. And kick me, asshole. So, let me read that I'm missing, ha? You know, Bambong is nothing, but he spit my whole day, hindi ako sira ulo. So, para sa mahal kong kapatid, mga kababayan ko masyado, nga po kung kayo maniniwala, magkasama na kaming daddy ko noong 2003, April 16 today. Medyo tuloy na ako sa ganap. Pero magtatagalog po tayo ng ensayo, mas matikim mo ang panahon ng aking paghihirap. Kasi the way is Bongbong is good, I'm Ferdinand. So, agrabyado po ako. So, let's try my mind to believe. I'm working days to not, but to believe in my whole day. Was for the goal I have to believe me. You know, I'm blind already, but the eyes that I have, I'm Jerusalem gold. Even the gods will find me. Pwede ko turo kung nasa ng Diyos. Una ng Diyos, nakita ko na po si Jerusalem. Pakikita ko rin po sa buong mundo yun. Kaya naman po, ba't nagtayo tayong church kung hindi ko pakikita ang Diyos? At number 2, yung family, yung pinakamatindi. Pakikita ko rin sa inyo si Jesus. Lahat po nakita ko na yung tatlong yan. Isin po hanapin nyo. Eh ako na lang po hinihintay ng buong Rome. To be honest, I'm not serious, but working big to know busy. In city mind that I have to know big. I have my friends here. Pala, all of them. I'm trying Rizal to love me. But for the sanity of deal, please. Noy Aquino, di ba I told you, when the third round, Noy, beat me. You're working tomorrow to my son. And beg to know here, I will kill these dice because I will live and surrender. Because you're gonna kill me here in Vietnam. That's the number 2 rule. When I talk to Manny, hey Manny, before this round, you can't fix my whole day because I'm gonna fix you. You have to know trap. And before you kill me, there's a red and black eyes that I will find you before I leave you. Then the third one, Noli Picasso is the only thing because he's the announcer. I talked to him, Nestor. Nestor. Magandang gabi po sa Hawaii yan. Kamusta po Mr. Noli? Pag dinaya niyo po ako, mapapatay niyo. Pero sa gabi ho ng aking gabi sa Tanay, mapapakinggan niyo YouTube. Si Jeric Lancero po napakabait. Gusto ko lang kung sa inyo. Garantisado na ako po ang makina ng tao dito sa Pilipinas. So, the last is, Mr. Julius Babo, alam mo yung driver ka pa ni Manny Pacquiao. Pag ganun pa sa big games ko, ha? Masyado kayong kontrente. Tol, kung sa tingin nyo, nandiyan kayo sa magandang posisyon. Ang YouTube, marami pang maawa sa akin. Pakinggan nyo dialogue ko kung sino ako sa buong daigdig. Kung ano ang pamilya ng Marcos. Hindi pa kayo tao, nasa uso na ako ng mga tao. Tandaan niya, hindi pa kayo tao, nasa uso na ako ng mga tao. So, di ba lang mga kayo wanted sa akin? Noli Castro, Bimbong Crisologo, Julius Babaw, Manny Pacquiao. At saka, I told you, Noli Castro, ha? Bimbong, ha? So, kayo naman lang naman chumap sa akin, wala kang iba. So, from announcer, Noli Castro, from Repid, Lodi De Castro, taga-Punas ni Manny Pacquiao, si Bimbong Rizzotti, si Manny Pacquiao, taga-Davao ng Bukid, si Julius Babaw, driver nila. So ako solo pumunta. Si Lotus Key, nakawa na ako. Paano sila Dieter, sila Marian, sila Angel, alam ba na tatay nila ako? Buti may preba ako, nakasama ko daddy ko. Kung ano matang daddy ko, mata ko rin. Okay? So let's start the mind believe. The Bombong Baliw Part 3 is for you. Question. When people are talking about the dignity of this night of Morning Star, who is the grandest? You know Rangel Gandhi? That's the mind I live.